Hi, everybody. We wanted to welcome you to the IC chemistry section, and we're hoping that this video can help you navigate through our tutoring services online, especially during this period of remote learning. And first up, we wanted to introduce our tutors and instructors. And so, starting with myself, my name's Ruby, and I'm a tutor for Chem and Bio at the IC, and I'm going to be a senior this year studying public health. Um, and the IC has been a huge support system for me and gave me like a community here at UW. And so I just want to welcome you all if it's your first year, if you're transferring in. And I hope that even though we're in this non-ideal online situation, that we can still provide you with a community and support.
Hi, my name is Michiko, and I'm a senior majoring in Japanese literature and linguistics and minoring in chemistry. I've met a lot of my friends at the IC and found many good people to study with, so welcome.
Hi, I'm Scott Clary, an instructor in chemistry at the IC.
Hi everyone, my name is Chow and I'm a senior this year at UW studying biochem. The IC isn't just a place where you can study, but it's a place where you can make many new friends and connections. The IC is a second home to me.
So we wanted to go over the IC Canvas pages for our major chem courses, and they all pretty much follow the same format. So I'm going to use Chem 142 as an example. And this is from the summer, but we'll be getting a new page for the fall. So if you're an EOP student or part of another program through OMAD that grants you access to the IC, you'll be automatically added onto the individual Canvas pages. And so once you gain access to the Canvas page, you'll be able to find at the home page workshop related stuff and practice problems, and also labs if your course comes with a lab. And so under the practice problems page, you'll find study packets, and these are additional practice problems that are separate from your homework, but they're really helpful to do just because these problems tend to come up on your exams. And then on here is also book problems and other resources. And for under the workshops page, you'll find notes and recorded videos of recently held workshops on Zoom. And what these workshops are is they're review sessions, and they cover topics from recent chapters. And during the workshops, you also work on sample problems and calculations, so you can kind of get the hang of what's going on and be able to do your homework and be better prepared for class. And workshops usually occur once a week, and it varies from class to class, but you should be able to find the workshop schedule under the Zoom tab over here on every IC Chem Canvas page. Instructors may also use announcements to the announcements page right here to notify students on upcoming workshop sessions, and announcements are all automatically emailed to you so long as you're registered in the Canvas site, which you should be. So now we wanted to go over our Zoom sessions. And so instructors and tutors will schedule Zoom sessions for workshops as well as for drop-in tutoring time slots. And these sessions are usually found here on the Zoom page. And since we don't have any upcoming meetings set currently, because this is from the summer, I will just describe to you what will usually appear here. So usually it'll have the meeting topic and then the start time, and this information usually gets emailed out to you as well, and the meeting link will be right here. But I'll just show you this tab just because I think we're probably going to be using my link again this fall. So usually for the set drop-in tutoring times, we'll use the same link. And so you can just click here. There usually will be a hyperlink in the upcoming meetings. and that's how you would join the Zoom. So also, we might post Zoom sessions in the announcements. And here's an example of that. So here, there's the Zoom link, and you should be able to join from the announcements, and this will also probably pop up in your email as well. And just for some general Zoom guidelines, during a Zoom session, please keep your mic muted while the instructor or tutor are presenting material, and unmute yourself only when asked to speak. Usually when we do drop-in tutoring, you can just drop in and ask your question right away if there's no student that we're helping. And in general, it would be helpful and definitely more engaging for workshops and drop-ins to keep your video screen on. And this just allows us to better build a relationship with you and keep responses and questions more interactive. So another feature of Zoom is that you can utilize the chat dialog box, and it allows you to ask a question during a live session without interrupting the lecturer or presenter. And that's usually at the bottom of the screen. Towards the left, you'll see a chat. And you can also private message people through the chat or message everyone. And some of the workshop sessions on Zoom will be recorded, and links to the saved recordings are usually posted shortly after the session has ended. So that's all I have for you. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to meeting all of you through Zoom.